Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use MB BCAA Pro effectively. This supplement is designed to support your muscle recovery and growth, especially after intense workouts. Understanding the correct way to take it ensures you get the most out of its powerful formula. We'll cover the best times to consume it and the recommended serving sizes to maximize its benefits for your fitness journey. Timing is key for maximizing the benefits of MB BCAA Pro. For best results, consider taking one serving about 15 to 30 minutes before your workout to prepare your muscles. During your training, sipping on another serving can help sustain energy and reduce fatigue. A third serving immediately after your workout aids in kickstarting the recovery process, making your efforts more effective. Preparing your MB BCAA Pro is straightforward. Simply mix one scoop, which is about 10 grams, with 250 to 300 milliliters of cold water. You can adjust the water amount to suit your taste preference. It's important not to exceed 2 servings per day unless advised by a healthcare professional. Consistency in dosage and timing will yield the best results for your muscle support and recovery. To truly maximize the benefits of MB BCAA Pro, integrate it into a holistic fitness approach. This means maintaining a balanced diet rich in protein and nutrients, alongside a consistent exercise routine. Staying well hydrated is also crucial, as water aids in nutrient absorption and overall bodily function. For other great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look in the description below. Your body will thank you for these smart choices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.